Morning students. Today we will discuss about one of the central government scheme, that is PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. Actually, this scheme was introduced under the 2025-2026 Union Budget, which is announced on February 1st, 2025 by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Actually, the main concept, why they have introduced this concept was they want to revitalize the 100 underperforming agri districts. So they will select 100 performing agri districts over the entire India, and they are going to consider three factors for this kind of the underperforming. Number one, low crop productivity, and number two, low crop intensity, and number three, below average credit flow. Below average credit flow. So these three are the main reasons. Actually, they are the main criterions to select these underperforming agri districts. So by considering these three factors, low crop productivity, low cropping intensity, below average credit flow, the central government is going to select 100 underperforming agri districts, and they want to boost these kind of the cropping issues in those districts. So if you can remember, these 100 selection of 100 districts, it is similar to the Niti Aayog's previous program called Aspirational Districts Program. So it is similar to that. So please make sure that while you are preparing for examination, please see that what is an aspirational districts program and what are the objectives of the ADP, that is aspirational districts program, and how it is different from the current scheme. Please try to make a difference between these two schemes. The duration is, it is actually a 6-year mission, this Dhan Dhanya mission. So this is the Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. It is actually a 6-year mission which will start from financial year 2025 to 26, which means that from this year it has been started. The total they have been allocated 24,000 crore for this project, and they are going to finance this project via convergence of 36 existing central government schemes, which is across 11 different ministries and different state schemes and different public-private partnership schemes. There are so many schemes are there actually for the agriculture. So they are going to converge all existing 36 schemes, and they are going to implement with the single focus, single mission. So that is about improving the crop productivity, improving the intensity, and to better credit flow, to have the better credit flow. So if you can see the core objectives, the objectives are very much clear. We will see about objectives now. The first and foremost objective is agricultural productivity has to improve. Improve the agricultural productivity. The second thing is to encourage the crop diversification and sustainable farming. Crop diversification and sustainable farming, and post-harvest infrastructure build-up, because after harvesting also there are some critical challenges are there for that product. It might be for the floods, it might be does not have a proper market, and there is no infrastructure to store that kind of the crop what they have been produced. So there are so many other reasons are also there. So the post-harvest infrastructure, development of post-harvest infrastructure is also crucial. And one more objective is to improve the irrigation facilities, because there is a low crop intensity, means there are some issues with the irrigation. So they improve the irrigation facilities as well, and the facilities easier access to short-term, longer credit, short-term, long-term credit. So to improve these things. So these are all the different kind of the objectives actually from this scheme. And with that scheme, approximately we are expecting 1.7 crore farmers will be benefited, and mainly most of them are small and marginal farmers. For you, the small task here is pause the video and define who is a small farmer, who is a marginal farmer, and what is the criteria to decide a small and marginal farmers. There is a definition actually. Please try to check it. And actually this scheme will also help landless workers, rural women and also youth. And it will also supports the agri entrepreneurs, self-help groups and also local processing units. Now let us see how it will work. How it will work, because what is the mechanism, that's what I meant was. So generally the every selected district will form a team called district Dhan Dhanya Samiti. Every district which is going to be selected in this program, it will form a team called district Dhan Dhanya Samiti. And for this one, it is actually the Samiti was led by respective district collector. And this team actually, it will make a full plan for that district's agriculture. And also they will create a digital dashboard to monitor what exactly is happening, because the digital dashboard is very much important, because they are going to check everything. What is the starting stage of the cropping pattern, whether the seeds are available or not, water is available or not, all these things will be monitored by the digital dashboard. And they also this scheme actually they will get help from the local agricultural universities and research centers as well, because the entire progress through this digital board, it is going to cover 117 key indicators. Almost they left nothing. Every indicator they have been considered, and they are going to form a digital dashboard. And this digital dashboard will is going to become a weapon for this district Dhanya Samiti, which is led by the district collector, so that they can monitor very closely, right? So this is about the scheme. In short, we can tell that this PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, it is a targeted long-term plan to bring poor agri districts up to national level in terms of crops, irrigation, income and innovation. It is a very much big step towards Atmanirbhar Krishi and a strong rural economy. Thank you.